Hi students, welcome back. Hope you all are safe. Today I am going to give you a recap of the old chapter Chemical Changes we discussed so far. In this chapter, first we discussed about changes, physical and chemical changes. Change occurs in the physical properties such as size, shape, state, etc. are called physical change. During a physical change, only a change in the arrangement of molecules occurs. In a chemical change, what happens? Yes, a substance is completely transformed into a new substance so that new molecules are formed there. So, chemical change is a permanent change. Next, we discussed about thermochemical reactions. Chemical reactions where heat is evolved during the reaction is known as thermochemical reactions. Thermochemical reactions can be classified into exothermic reaction and endothermic reactions. Exothermic reaction means the chemical reaction which liberate heat. And about endothermic reaction, chemical reaction which absorb heat are called endothermic reaction. After that, we discussed about photosynthesis. We know that photosynthesis is an important chemical reaction in our biosphere. Green plants are highly essential for sustaining life on Earth. Leaves are the food factories of nature. In the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll in plants prepare glucose using carbon dioxide and water. This glucose is converted to starch and stored in the leaves, fruits and tubers of plants. Green plants can prepare glucose in this manner. Then we discussed about photochemical reactions. What do you mean by photochemical reaction? Yes, chemical reaction which liberate or absorb light energy are known as photochemical reaction. Chemical reaction which liberate or absorb light energy are known as photochemical reactions. After that, we discussed about electrolytes. Some substances undergo chemical change when electricity passed through them. Such substances are called electrolytes. Sodium chloride, copper sulfate, silver nitrate, etc. are examples of electrolytes. Next, we discussed about electrodes, rods which are connected to the poles of a battery and which transfer electricity to the electrolytes are known as electrodes. And we discussed about the process electrolysis. What do you mean by the process electrolysis? Yes, the process in which a substance undergoes decomposition by the absorption of which energy? Yes, electrical energy is known as electrolysis. And we discussed about electrochemical reactions. Chemical reaction in which electrical energy is consumed or produced are known as electrochemical reactions. Next, we discussed about electroplating. Electricity is used to obtain a thin coating of a particular metal on other metallic objects. This process is known as electroplating. Electroplating is an electrochemical reaction. After that, we discussed about endoergic reaction and exergic reaction. The chemical reaction which absorb energy are known as endoergic reactions The chemical reaction which liberate energy are known as exergic reactions. And at last, we discussed about cells. Cells are widely used sources of electrical energy. Electricity is produced in them through chemical reactions. Dry cell, mercury cell, nickel cadmium cell, lithium ion cell are the different types of cell, and we discussed their uses in our previous session. So students, these are the main points we discussed in this chapter. Study it well. Thank you.